This is a very hearty and wholesome dish made with tender sweet potato and protein packaged chickpeas, lightly spicy and roasted to a perfection. This easy plant-based recipe is full of warm flavor, naturally gluten-free and perfect for a healthy lunch or cozy dinner. Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Greetings to you all, compliment of the season guys. I hope everyone is doing well. This is Vivian Recipe. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please do us a favor by subscribing to this channel. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all so much. I love and I appreciate your support. So today we are making this delicious sweet potato and chickpeas recipe for lunch. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe at the end of the video because your comments means a lot to us. So as you see me doing, I just put everything in my baking pan, the sweet potato, sweet pepper, the chickpeas, onions. Okay, so I just pour everything in my baking pan. I will add all my spices. Okay, right now I added salt, so I will also be adding seasoning powder, just add everything, then I will mix it. And this is a leftover stew. Yeah, I wanted to use just a tomato paste, but I decided to add this leftover stew. Now I'm adding olive oil. So it's back from the oven, guys. It's ready to be launched. It's ready. It's out from the oven. As you can see, it's still very hot. So here we have a perfect and healthy lunch. Let me know what you think, guys. Share this video, leave your comments. God bless you all. Stay blessed. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. I love you all so much. Keep supporting us. God bless you all. Stay blessed and see you soon in another video. Bye guys.